Get into the 2021 Ram 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. The Ram 1500 delivers gritty towing capability, passenger-focused comfort and safety features, and surprising fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, panoramic roof, keyless entry, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, remote engine start, keyless start, 4-wheel drive, fog lamps, satellite radio. Don't do the job unless you can do it right. Drive the truck that has the capability you need. The Ram 1500.